Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So we had a lovely weather today and I thought I'm going to resin outside, and so I'm using the anti-resin molds today, and these are crystallized hearts. It is a lovely handmade mold, so I don't think so you can find this sort of design anywhere else. The hearts, yes, you can find these hearts. I have worked with these hearts myself. They were clear, but these are crystal embedded mold, so I'm sure you're going to love them. So they comes in different sizes, larger, small and medium. So I'm going to show you all three of them. So what I'm doing here is that I am pouring clear resin in all of them. So after pouring the clear resin, I'm going to add these fantasy film, and these are all different colors. So I'm using different sort of shades of this fantasy film just to see what effect I get. So in the second one, I'm adding this lovely shade of blue fantasy film, and it has a very lovely shade of blue and then some purple. So I really love the effect. So before I was thinking of adding some chameleon powders to this mold, but then decided to just go with this technique because I think this will be very best for this kind of mold. At the moment, I'm just looking for the final look of this mold. And in my last one here, this is just a jiffy bag that that comes in different sizes. I kept them up for some resin experiments, so I just cut them into small pieces and arranging them into the resin mold. So it gives such a lovely shade. Looking forward to see how this one turns out. So after that, I will leave these all to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day and my first layer is already cured, and now it's time to do the back layer. And for my back layer, I'm going to use black. I always think that black brings everything together. So I'm going to fill all of them. So these are really chunky hearts, so you do need a lot of resin for this. So the smaller ones can be turned into keychains, and the middle one can also be turned into a keychain. For bigger one, you can use them as a paperweight or as a decoration. A lot of things you can do with these. So simply I'm just going to fill them up and I will leave them to cure, and I will see you next day. So this is the next day. Super excited to see how they all turn out. So first I'm going to demold them and then I'm going to show you how they look like. So some lovely ASMR your way. Smaller one is out of the mold and the mold is still very shiny. I think making a clear one will also be an amazing design, but still, let's see these, how they turn out. So I will link them in my description and you will get 20% off on these molds. So if you like, you can treat yourself. So let's see the bigger one before or the smaller one. I'm really excited to see which one looks amazing. So this is the first one. Okay, this is how I was telling you about. Wow, it is looking like some small crystals. Beautiful. I love how the paper look like. So this is the blue one. And you can see how shiny it is. I think this can be turned into a lovely heart necklace. And this is a bigger one with the different sorted fantasy film, and you can see how amazing and shiny these are. I really love them. I think a clear resin will show such a beautiful effect. But again, these were also very experimental. I really love putting different colors into the bigger heart, give lovely design and look. So this is how they look like, and I will show you the final look under the sun. Sparkly handmade molds. These are one of a kind. I really love them. So that's it for today, and I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.
Can I read the most with this?
इससे क्या ताल्लुक है नमाज का?
Because if it's bleeding, then
नहीं, कुछ ब्लीडिंग नहीं है. वो बहुत ज़्यादा खून गिर रहा हो, बह रहा हो.